Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box for the month of July 2020. Alright, what's the theme? The theme is open doors, so that's very interesting. We've got the Seal of Solomon, the third pentacle of Mercury, so this is a really cool collection. Ooh, we've got a Book of Shadows artwork on the Triquetra. Oh, lemongrass. I'm growing this in my garden this year. It's not going that great, but I'm trying. Alright, it smells really good. I love the smell. Oh, is this a rutilated quartz? I don't know, but I've been thinking a lot about it. I even said so on my live. Let's see, did one find me? Is that what's happened here? Because I have good luck with stuff like that. Alright. We got a pretty bright yellow beeswax candle. I love the smell of beeswax. Ooh, nice. Very citrusy. Oh, dealy bobs are going wild. Ah! I got a dropper here. Oh my goodness, stay in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Ain Ritual Body Oil. Oh my gosh. Nice. I know it doesn't have it, but it almost smells like banana to me. I don't know if my nose is really overdone. It's Palo Santo. It's gotta be. I can't smell very good right now though. Lemongrass, very nice. And a big satin bag. So let's see what's inside of it. Oh, pretty. I have one of these, but I think the colors are different. I think they're blue. Which is very nice still. I love bells. I love chimes. It's lovely. Oh, this side has even more detail. So that's really cool. Let's read the insert. What do we have to say? There are often times along our path where we feel as if only problems and blockages surround us, hindering our ability to allow positive manifestation to occur. In a world where information is abundant and clarity may be more difficult to attain, we rely on the tried and true tools that reunite us with our higher self, full of joy and open to surprising possibilities. As we work to maintain a sense of happiness, it is important that we remember to keep our minds open to new thoughts and truly strive to dissolve stagnant perspectives that limit our ability to see deeper beauty and magic within all things. These processes of cultivating joy and lightheartedness, along with working with the right magical tools, allows us to act as a magnet for new opportunities that may surpass original intentions. In this very special collection, we work with some of our favorite tools and symbols to bring hope and opportunity into our current realities. The magic items in this box are lemongrass, an absolute favorite, is quick go-to when looking to incorporate the energies of joy and stimulation into your rituals. So very cool. Lemongrass herbal grimoire art. I love it. I love this whole collection. I'm really, really, really loving it. Triquetra wind chime. It's a symbol dating back to as early as 500 BCE and was used by many cultures to represent the power of threes. The most common representation of the Triquetra comes from the Celts, Wiccans, and Neo-Pagans. The three-form design symbolizes, among many other representations, the Maiden Mother and Crone, as well as the wisdom of the triple goddess. The Triquetra also resonates with life, death, and rebirth. These qualities correspond with the sacred cycle of life. Book of Shadows reference page. Oh, for the Triquetra. Yeah, that's cool. Lemongrass ritual incense sticks. Yeah, they smell great. I'm sticking to myself. Stop. Oh, Holywood Palo Santo. I love Palo Santo. It's one of my favorite things in the world. I love it. Token of Hope mini spell candle. Ain Ritual Body Oil. So the Token of Hope spell candle, though, let's go back to that. Promoting energies of opportunity and positive manifestations. And the Ain Ritual Body Oil, it's the Irish goddess of summer and bright blessings, bringing with her the energies of good luck, wealth, and abundance. So it has lemongrass, grapefruit, lemon, and bergamot oils in addition to lemongrass herb and a Lumarian quartz. It's also got a little bit of their brilliancy magical oil from their personal cabinet of ritual. And it's a rutilated quartz. I was just saying that I needed one, and that is so, so cool that it came to me. Perfect. Awesome. Among many qualities of this unique and powerful stone, our intentions for including this rutilated quartz is to accompany you on your journey towards expanded awareness. As you carry the unique stone with you during the day or place among your altars, allow its wonderful energies to influence your ability to recognize opportunity. And then the Seal of Solomon Book of Shadows artwork. So this was a great box. Great. Everything in here I will use. Awesome. I actually was literally just talking about getting one of these last week, and here it is. So that's really one of my favorite things, is how at least for me, how very much on point and in tune and intuitively correct and timely these boxes always seem to be for me. So I'm really lucky that way. I'm really pleased. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.